This tutorial will walk you through the process of creating your Palm ID, adding 3 social verifiers, and collecting your first proofs. Creating your Palm ID requires a wallet. For this guide, we'll use MetaMask.
Begin by clicking the Connect button located at the center of the screen. In the pop-up, click on Get Your Palm ID. You will be asked to connect your MetaMask wallet. Your browser extension will open, asking you to link your wallet. Click Connect. Once connected, it will verify your control of the wallet by requesting a signed message. Note that this message doesn't generate any transactions. Click on Get Palm ID to start editing your profile by adding your name or choosing a pseudonym. Type the name you would like to use and click Save to continue. A pop-up will display with your name and a one-of-a-kind image randomly generated out of your Palm ID's address. You can update your profile picture, but we'll skip this step for now. Look for that tutorial if needed. To access the full functionality of your Palm ID, you need to add social verifiers to your profile. Click Verify to continue. You will be prompted to verify your email. Enter your email address and click Send Code to receive a 6-digit verification code. This code is valid for 2 hours, after which you'll need to request a new one. Check your email inbox for the verification email. If you can't find it, check your spam folder. Copy the verification code and return to the Palm Collective. Enter the code and click Verify Code. After a few seconds, your first verifier will be added to your Palm ID, and you will be able to start collecting proofs, participate in open calls, votes, and join other communities. To add X, formerly Twitter, as a verifier, click on the X verifier icon. The new screen will show a 6-digit code. Copy the code and make a new post from your X account using it. Now copy the post's link and paste it in the Palm Collective. Click Submit Link. After a few seconds, your second verifier will be added to your Palm ID, and you will now be able to create your own proofs. To add Discord as your third verifier, click on the Discord icon, then Verify. The next screen will invite you to join the Palm Foundation Discord server. Click on Go to Discord server to follow the invitation. Upon joining the server, head to the verification channel and type the command /verify and hit Enter. A prompt will ask you for your Palm ID and a verification code. Go back to the Palm Collective to get these details. Once back in the Palm Collective, click Verify to obtain your Palm ID and verification code. Copy these details and paste them into the Discord server's prompt, then click Submit. Return to the Palm Collective, and once the verification is completed, the Discord verifier will be successfully added to your Palm ID, unlocking all features and functionalities within the Palm Collective. Make sure not to close the pop-up during the verification process. You should now be able to create your own communities, and a proof has been added to your Palm ID as a thank you for verifying your account. To verify that you received your proof, click on your profile picture at the top right corner of the screen. A card will open, and you'll see that you've collected one proof. Note that your verifications are also shown there. Click on View under Proofs Collected to see your entire collection. On the new page, you'll find the gallery of your collected proofs along with other proofs available from the Palm Collective. You can switch the view to the gallery from My Proofs to the All Proofs view and explore proofs issued by other users or communities. You can click on any proof to collect it. A new page will display additional details about the proof, including its artwork, its name, a description, claimed count, and more. To collect the proof, click on Claim Proof. Once completed, the proof will be successfully collected and added to your Palm ID. To confirm the collection, note that it now shows as claimed. You can also click on your profile picture at the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice that you now have 2 collected proofs. Don't forget to claim the Palm Collective membership proof. Go back to the home page by clicking on the Palm Collective logo in the upper right corner of the screen. Scroll down the page until you find the Palm Collective Membership Proof section. Click on Proof Details to collect it. You will be taken to the page that has more details about the proof. Click Claim Proof to collect it. Once collected, you can see that it shows as claimed, and by clicking on your profile picture, you'll notice that you now have 3 collected proofs. You can explore and collect the proofs that pique your interest in the All Proofs view of the gallery.